Hey y'all, Kaya here of WayUp Goodies, and welcome back. We have something crazy exciting today. We are here at a secret location to see, I guess, a little behind the scenes of, I'm gonna be a little biased, my favorite edibles company here in beautiful Colorado, Love's Oven. They do all kinds of fun stuff: baked goods, chocolates, drinks, little sandwich, cookies, brownies, everything. So we're gonna head on in and we're gonna meet up with Katie. She is the marketing manager. Yeah, really lovely lady. So let's get in here because we are already late. This is Katie. She's the marketing manager, marketing director of Love's Oven, and she is taking time out of her day to show us around.
So we are an FDA compliant facility, so thus the official garb here. This is to protect the products just from any contaminants that could be from the outside world.
Yes.
I'm gonna head on in. We're gonna follow the yellow line to the hand washing sink and just wash it.
Alright. Maybe I'll bake some cookies.
Alright, so this is the bakery, obviously. And storage dishes, little dish area here. And then we move into the fun stuff.
Yes.
So this is actually a custom butter press. So it was modeled after a wine press, and they put in a custom hydraulic, and that is to squeeze as much THC out of the butter as possible. We kind of move into where they warm up the butter and then stage it.
Okay.
This is our corporate chef, Hope.
Hello.
Makes all the magic happen.
Yes.
And go check out the butter.
Oh, wow.
So, quite chilly in here, but this is where we store all of the infused butter.
Okay.
So obviously it's very green, so super concentrated THC, and then we actually add virgin butter to that as well, to really kind of get that cannabis flavor down, so you don't taste it in the face.
Okay.
Looks like some caramel R&D there. Yeah, all kinds of fun stuff. More caramel sauce. The butter's the coolest part of it. Jason over here is actually making some chocolates.
Peanut butter bites.
Peanut butter? Oh.
My favorite.
So good.
How are you all today?
Good.
Good. Good, thank you.
You like touching your mouth?
Yeah, sometimes even though they run across this belt, it's vibrating to shake them, but we still might get little air bubbles, and sometimes those air bubbles will, if they pop, that would expose the filling, and as the filling gets soft, it will kind of look like a little worm squeezing out. So, just trying to touch them up here and there if we have to. Yep.
They look so good.
Thank you.
Chocolates being warmed here to start maybe using in the enrober.
Okay.
But this is the oven that makes it all happen. They're called rationale ovens. They're super smart. So you can basically touch a button of that product and it'll cook it for you. Bake it for you. Yeah.
That's really dope.
Small little steam kettle here and then a large steam kettle for all of the caramel that we make. So this is the layer of the peanut caramel bites. That's the caramel peanut dish.
That looks so good. Also a favorite. They're all my favorites. They're all really
The
good.
caramel peanut bites, we seriously just lay out the egg on top of them. Like they're
I said to you, hopefully we'll be able to speak to Chef Hope. So I do a lot of reading. So hello.
Hi.
I am a fan.
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you ladies from?
We're WayUp Goodies. We do like YouTube videos for just edibles. We make edibles at home.
Yeah.
Just showing people, other ways they could use their cannabis. Just if they have such a small amount.
Yeah.
So, because we're from New Jersey and they don't have many edible options. So yeah, that was.
They don't have any yet.
No, yeah, they don't really
to like bogart your tour.
No, it's alright.
Let me show you some canna butter. You want to smell some of that? It's grabbing all the terpenes out there. Let me grab it for you real quick. So this is canna butter. If you take a look at that and you smell it, this is a heavy indica.
Yeah.
Okay. So the difference is it's a little bit less potent than what you're gonna find with distillate.
But you have your flavonoids.
We got our flavor, we got our terpenes. We're able to call it indica sativa hybrid because we're keeping all those nice profiles in there. Here's the thing, $100,000, $100,000. Okay, that's how much product. That's how much potent this is.
Yeah.
And this is what this is, right?
Right.
So we're still at about 10% THC with this, so we're only using 1 gram of this to put in an entire package of our products.
Okay.
And we extract this from the trichomes, okay, from the plant matter.
Yeah.
We'll take in the plant matter, we'll separate the trichomes into keef and the rest of the swag, right? The swag, we concentrate down into this. The keef, with all those beautiful terpenes, we turn into butter.
Okay.
So, as a chef, you know, we're using everything that we can, right?
Yes.
We use leftovers to make phenomenal meals. We're using leftovers to make phenomenal products.
Yes.
You know, this goes through our winterizing process, through our rotor evaporator, as well as a short path distillation to take out all those bad lipids and everything in there. And then we're using the cleanest part of the material to make our very, very clean, beautiful, all natural heat extracted butter, non-hydrocarbon extracted.
So what products do you use your distillate in versus the butter?
Excellent question. So all of our butter goes into Love's Oven products that will tolerate this beautiful green. Yeah. As well as complementing the flavor profile. So you're looking at our turtle brownies, which have a double fudge ganache base in it. It's going to cover up a little bit of that hashy, but definitely accentuate the rest of the flavor profile. Our distillate goes into our chocolates because we don't want to break the nice couverture chocolate that we have because we're not adding any hydrogenated fats. We're tempering it. So cocoa butter, cocoa solid sugar, that's what's in our chocolate. Okay. And also, this also goes into products that can't support this full spectrum profile butter. So like our creme brulee bars, they're very light, very delicate flavor profile.
Yeah.
We don't want to make them green.
Yes.
So we're adding in the distillate to that.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the difference. And then, yeah, we got very talented chefs here. Just working around the clock, trying to keep up with orders.
Yes.
So, phenomenal.
So this is the packaging room, which looks like they're kind of waiting on some of the products to start rolling over from the morning. So this is a little bit later of a shift.
I know that one.
Yeah.
And that one, and that one. Oh wait, have you had the peanut butter cups?
Yes, but not recently.
Okay.
So those have been overshadowed by the peanut butter bites, like far and away. But we're definitely
maybe
starting to
not.
see those pick up as well.
Yeah.
Just for, you know, like the tourist season when that picks up, our lower milligram products really pick up. Just for those people who are kind of new to edibles, that haven't really tried it, a 5 milligram peanut butter cup might be the way to go.
Yeah.
It's so good. They're like my favorite, the Black Forest chocolate bar.
Oh, they're your favorite?
These are from WayUp Goodies. They're doing a YouTube video.
That's so cool.
Nothing super serious. So don't worry. Not for CNN or anything this time. Yes, Sherry and Tom have been with us for a very long time. Noelle joined us this year. This year, right? Yeah.
They're
Sherry,
small yet mighty team.
yes.
I would expect it to be a lot larger too. The number of stores actually.
Yeah, I know. There's about 20 of us in total. And we service about 250 stores in the state right now.
Wow.
Yeah, So as Sherry said, small but mighty.
Are you in other states as well?
We are, yeah. So Trulieve actually manufactures our products in Florida.
Okay.
And then we're starting in Maryland beginning of next year as well. So that'll be
East
super exciting. Yes, the East Coast is just exploding.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, I mean everyone over there is legalizing. It's super exciting to see. Awesome. Well, we can go and check out some more chocolate. And then, sorry, it's a little dark in here, but this is where we store all of the chocolates. So the box chocolates are ready to go out, and then the speed racks there are ready to be packaged. And we keep them in this climate-controlled little room here just to prevent any melting, essentially, of the chocolate.
It smells delicious in here.
Yes.
Like chocolate.
This is the warehouse where everything is stored to be then pulled to go into orders. So yeah, they're divided up. These are mainly
That is exciting.
Yeah. Definitely a good place to work though. I love
Yeah.
it so much.
Yeah, I love that it's just small. A smaller
Yeah.
company, which is hard.
Yeah. Well, yeah, we are seeing a lot of mergers and acquisitions within the state of Colorado. The regulations kind of opened up for that recently, so a lot of the smaller companies are getting swooped up by some larger corporations, which good and bad, you know.
Yeah.
Capitalism.
Yes. Do y'all have plans to move into other states in the future? Yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay.
Maryland will be early next year. Michigan is one that is hopefully in the near future, but
Okay.
still working on that one. Arizona is pretty exciting, and then New Mexico being pretty close to just recently legalized. So we're excited about all of the legal states, but those are a couple that are next on the list.
Top of the list, yes. All right, okay. Then I think that's it, right? Okay, so that's all we have today. Thank you again so much for just taking us around.
Oh my gosh, thank you guys so
speaking
much
with
for
us.
coming.
Oh, of course. Thanks. So yeah, that's all.